Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 4th July 2024. Sebi's new regulations on F&O trading aim to standardize charges and reduce excessive profits for brokers. This may lead to higher costs for long-term investors and potential changes in brokerage models. Retail participation in options trading is being closely monitored for its impact on savings. Amid concerns of froth building up in below-the-radar SME stocks, the National Stock Exchange on Thursday announced the imposition of a price control cap of 90% on SME IPOs. Sebi on Thursday issued a circular requiring stockbrokers to establish an institutional mechanism for prevention and detection of fraud or market abuse in a bid to protect the interest of investors in securities market. The circular mandates the implementation of systems for the surveillance of trading activities and internal controls, introduction of a whistleblower policy, among other obligations. Hospitality unicorn Oyo has secured $50 million in funding from Incred Wealth and Investment, marking its first significant capital infusion in nearly 3 years. However, the investment values the Gurgaon-based company at $2.38 billion, a substantial 76% decrease from its peak valuation of $10 billion. According to regulatory filings, Oyo's board approved the issuance of new shares to Incred, granting the investor a 2.11% stake in the company post-investment. The contribution of quick commerce sales to the overall e-commerce sales of fast-moving consumer goods companies has doubled in a year, executives from top firms including Dabur, Parle Products, ITC, and Nestle have said. The share of quick commerce sales within the e-commerce sales for the FMCG companies now stands at 33 to 36% against 17 to 18% a year ago. The results of the Chartered Accountants' final and intermediate examinations held in May 2024 are expected to be announced on Thursday, July 11, 2024. Aspiring Chartered Accountants can access the results on the official ICAI website, which is icai.nic.in. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.